So how can you reset everything on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you're going to grab the iPhone, which is paired to that Apple Watch, and open up the Watch app, right? So you can see all of the different settings and stuff, right? And you can see that we have the ability to go and manage the settings. Tap on the general right here. And at the bottom, we have reset. When you click on reset, you have more options, sort of, right? So you can reset synced data. You can reset a home screen layout, and you can also erase Apple Watch content and settings. So it depends on what exactly the goal is, but you have a few options. So resetting home screen layout will obviously do just that. It's not going to delete anything from the watch. Resetting sync data will erase contacts and a calendar from the Apple Watch before resyncing it again. So that's a bit of a different approach. And erasing all content and settings, then that's actually very interesting, because if you tap on it, it's going to give you the pop-up letting you know that this will delete all media and data, and it will reset all settings on your Apple Watch. So if you want to approach this way, that means that you reset and delete every single thing from the watch. You can tap on it like this, but as you can see, it's a very serious step. So it depends on what you need to do, right? You can as well, if you want to like disconnect the Apple Watch from the device, go to the main page in here, go to all watches, tap on an information icon, and at the bottom we have unpair the Apple Watch, which will disconnect it from this device. So that's how you can reset everything on the Apple Watch. If you have some more thoughts or questions about this, leave them below in the comments. It's likely I'm going to make an updated video about it, but for now that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.